In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new group in Notion. If you're seeking a more organized approach to managing your projects, using groups can greatly enhance your productivity and ensure everything stays neatly classified. Let's walk you through the steps to do just that. First, you'll want to head over to Notion. If you're not already logged in, do so and navigate to your homepage. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with your workspace if it's been a while since you last used Notion. Once you're comfortable, the next step is to open your database. This is where all your information is stored and where you'll create your new group. Make sure you select the correct database that you wish to organize. When you've opened your database, look towards the top right of your View Options bar. You'll see an option labeled Group. Go ahead and click on it. This feature is incredibly powerful, so it's worth taking a moment to understand its capabilities. Clicking Group brings up several options. What you're looking for here is Group By. When you choose this option, you will be prompted to put in the property name. Now, this property is essentially a category or characteristic that your database items will be grouped by. For instance, if you were managing a team project, you might choose to group tasks by their assignees. Or if you're working on a personal project, you might group tasks by their status, such as to do, in progress, or completed. Once you've specified the property name, Notion will cleverly sort your items into groups based on that property. You'll see your items neatly divided, making it much easier to focus on specific areas of your project without getting overwhelmed by everything else. Perhaps you want to add a new group to this structure. To do this, scroll to the end of the list of groups and click on New Group. This enables you to create a fresh category for organizing your content. A key benefit of using groups is that it allows you to tailor your database to suit your unique workflow. Finally, give your new group a name that clearly describes the content or purpose it will hold. This could be anything from a new project phase, a different team member, or a distinct status that you want to track. Make sure to choose something intuitive and insightful for easy identification later. Once you name it, your new group is all set. You'll have a more structured and efficient approach to handling your tasks in Notion, and that's all there is to it. Just follow these straightforward steps, and you'll have your Notion database looking and functioning exactly the way you want it. If you found this guide helpful, consider exploring more features in Notion to further enhance the way you organize your work. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing.